Hey, what's up guys? I have a DJI Phantom 3, but recently I had a problem with my remote control. So everything looks fine, but the problem is the antenna broke. There's no way you just put this antenna back to the remote control. It's not that easy. I bought a Wi-Fi signal range extend kit. This thing will help you to extend the range from couple hundred feet to 4,000 feet. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to put this onto this remote control. These other things that came out from the box, I just saved the time to show you guys taking everything out. I just play it out for you guys. And so you got 3 panels and a 3 antenna. Basically this is antenna 2, but you only need 2 of them, and you just put 1 in the middle. And you got a screwdriver, and this thing, you know, it's a connector. Next thing, I'm gonna open this up. So guys, I took out the 4 screws in the back of this case, and you can just pull it out and you can see the inside. Basically there are a couple parts to connect to the back side of the case. My suggestion is you don't have to take it out, because you have to figure out time and then put it back. All you need is just take out the antenna. That's what we're gonna do. You guys can see there's a black wire, gray wire, and this is a black wire. It's all connected to the motherboard. All you need to do is use a screwdriver to clean off the old glue, so then you can take these 3 pieces off. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Basically it takes me 2 to 3 minutes just to take those 3 wires off. Just gotta be careful, you know, you don't want to damage the original parts. So after you take these 2 wires out, basically this 2 piece right here is pretty much useless. You can either keep leaving inside your remote control, or you can just take it out. Because what we're gonna use is we're gonna use this bigger panel outside, and we're gonna get more range. So next thing I'm gonna do is put this in and push the wires in and connect with the wires. So this new antenna comes with 3 wires. All you need to remember is white in the bottom, black in the middle, gray is on the top. So bottom, middle, top. Just make sure you guys follow the orders, then everything gonna work out great. It takes me 5 minutes just to put the 3 wires to the motherboard. You can buy a hot glue gun to glue it, just secure it, but I had one I couldn't find right now, so I'm just gonna leave like this. Next thing is really easy. You just use the screws to give to you. Put this panel on top of this remote control. So last, just put all the panels out. It's really easy. You just screw it. I'm pretty sure everyone can do it. So it still works. That's great.